It seems like it's a bamboo, very lightweight bowl. I call it a bowl, but it's quite a flat dish. I'm going to be painting that, and I may need a couple of coats. So I'm going to be using Fusion Mineral Paint in the colour Plaster. I think I used this colour last week. It's just one of their off-whites. Now it has some creamy yellow undertones, which I thought might go well with the thing that I'm going to use afterwards, and I'll show you that, what we're going to be doing. So you've got to stay tuned, or you just never know what's going to happen. All right, I'm just using a furniture painting brush. These are ones that I stock here in Australia, but you can use whatever you like. And I'm painting this time the inside of this bowl, and the other bowl I've already prepped it on the outside so that I can show you what I'm doing to that one there. And I'm just going to put on the paint really quickly. This is a Fusion Mineral Paint is a furniture type paint, and so it does dry fairly fast. Now, I'm not going to be too concerned if I do get it up over those edges. I do want them nice and plain and wood, but I can quickly wipe that off with a cloth because I want those to be a nice wood edge, and I just want my, whatever my design is going to be, to just show up to the edges. So I try to be as neat as I can, but I'll show you what I'm going to do with that is just get a wet cloth, and while the paint is still wet, you just go around the edges like this. Or if the paint has already dried, you can use a little bit of sandpaper. Here's the one that we're using for this one is sunflowers. Now you can see that I've put mine in a Ziploc bag because I've cut out most of my transfers, and I've just put them in this bag here so that then when you come to use them, but they're mostly cut out already, and you can just choose from all the different designs cut out. Okay, so we've got a bunch of different sunflowers, and this is the sunflowers set. There's a huge big one right there. I think I was going to use that and then add to it with these ones coming out behind it. So what you can do is kind of design it first. See, I'll have to cut this one out because, so you could design it first and add all your bits and pieces to where you think you might put them, because what you want to do is have this one stand out on the top, and these ones where the branches or the stem is coming, you want to add them in behind. So what I'll do is probably add that in behind. You can add these ones around here. There's so many gorgeous different designs here. That even looks lovely. See, so many different options here. Oh, now I'm trying to decide. I do like the little daisy there. That's cute. So as we're deciding, we'll start with these ones out on the edge here. So we've painted the inside a nice white color. So I used plaster, Fusion Mineral Paint color plaster, and that gives it a nice creamy background, which I felt like it lent to the color tones of this project. So here's our sunflower. Now this one, the dish is curving inward. Hopefully it makes it a bit easier. I'm going to take that tip right to the top, tippy top, and I'm going to place it down there first and hopefully stick it down with my fingers and then rub it with the transfer tool. Okay, hopefully you can see that where I'm working on here. See how it's sort of left a little bit of a some of the sunflower bits there, but I don't mind. I think it kind of gives it that antique look. You can kind of see where it's missing a little bit of the design there, but it gives it a lovely vintage look. Let's see, where did I have that other one? Placing my things back down because I want that to cover up that, and I want that to kind of cover up there. So that should be okay if I just bring that one down from here. So there's another one. We just make sure it's all smoothed out with our fingers going around there. So here's my big design again. Let's see, there, and let's have this one. Around about over here. Or maybe we could just add a smaller one in there. We could add this one coming out from down here. That would work. So let's do that to the bottom of the tray. All right, so there's that one. Now let's place this large one. So now I get my fingers and just smooth that around. Look at that. So now I'm just going to finish sealing that with a bit of Fusion's matte tough coat sealer.